All right, this is Tammy Flippin' Furniture coming at you with another Hobby Lobby Easter Bunny makeover, dress up, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to give him a bow to dress him up. If you've seen him plain, they just need a little bit of help. Or maybe you like him better plain. But anyway, I'm just using a Bowdabra. That's the name of this little bow maker helper outer. I put a piece of twine in at the very beginning underneath here, and then I'm just layering in. I started with fabric that I have ripped, just strips of fabric, and laid it in to make these bows. You can see I lay it in and then kind of crisscross it to make my loops. And I kind of try to start with the thickest pieces of fabric first. I think I used all fabric for this one. Fabrics, ribbons, raffia I even threw into this one. I didn't use a whole lot in this one. I made this one smaller because the bunny is actually smaller than the last one we did. But anyway, pull it out, cinch it up tight as you can, and double knot it and cut off the excess. At least that's how I do it. I haven't done a ton of these, so I'm just playing, just learning. Hopefully these will get better as I go. But then I'm just fiddling with it to fluff it up and make my loops look good. Or better, or fluffed up, or whatever you want to call it. And then kind of trimming up the tails. And then I decided to put a button in the center. And then I am cutting up some greenery. I'm going to cut it and hot glue it in a few places just to fill it out a little bit more, give it a little extra dimension, just a little extra character. And you could just leave it as it was before. You don't have to do this. That's just me playing. And then I evidently thought the greenery was a little too much there and trimmed a little bit of it off, and then added some other greenery around there too. And then I just hot glued it all on there. I cut off his silky ribbon that he had on first and then glued that on there. Actually, I can't tell. I don't know if I ended up using that button or not. I don't think I did. But there he is in my home decor. Or maybe I did. I can't tell. And, yep, that's how we zhuzhed up our styrofoam Easter bunny from Hobby Lobby. And then I also had a pink one from Hobby Lobby, too, that you'll see coming up, that I also did a very similar type bow. I just, didn't get it videoed, so. But I did show, here it is, the after effect. Just the same thing, just different, maybe some different fabric and different ribbons in there. So, again, this was Tammy with Flippin' Furniture. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will like my channel and subscribe and comment and let me know you were here and let me know you would like to see in the future. Have a great one.